My name is Bryn and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. If you see a Jon Renau piece that you like, you can use the promo code JR30 and receive 30% off when Jon Renau is allowing their sales. On our other pieces, if you use Beautiful You, you'll receive 30% off at checkout. We also have a Facebook group. It is called Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. We have over 4,700 ladies dealing with hair loss or hair thinning for many different reasons. Trichotillomania, from chemo, from heredity, whatever the case may be. We would love to have y'all there. And I am coming to you with a wig review of an adorable Henry Margu piece called Kendall. Now you might not recognize Kendall once I put her on, because to me she looks nothing like the stock photos, and that's a good thing. This piece is so cute. Let's take a look at this color. This is 814H. She is described as a medium and dark brown base with dark blonde and subtle auburn highlights. I have avoided ordering this color because I thought it would look ashy on my skin, but it does not. She is, to me, a more warm color than what I thought. And I will take y'all outside at the end of this review so you can see. She has a full mono top, which means you can part her any direction. She has this impeccable lace front. It is perfect. She is open wefted, so that will allow some breathability and stretch. She has velvet ear tabs with metal stays inside. She has Velcro adjusters, and when you find your spot, leave it so you do not wear out that Velcro. Okay, let's put her on. She's that easy, guys. She is so much cuter than the stock photo. She's super easy. Put her on and go. Her bangs are so cute. I love these side swept bangs, and they stay put. They're not flopping in your face. They're perfect. Let's take a look at this lace front. Look how perfect that lace front is. Those knots, not any. Here's her top. Okay, let me do a spin for you. She's so cute. And I think some people probably pass her up because of the stock photo. But y'all give her a chance. She is darling. She has a little bit of permatease around the sides. A little on the top, but not much. She's not overdone. She does not feel like a helmet on your head at all. Let's go over her measurements. My head is 21 inches around. From my hairline to the tip of my chin is 8, and my neck is 4. So if that helps y'all with your measurements, I'm trying to find out where she might fall. I hope so. And I'll put them in the description as well. Okay. Her bangs are 7 inches. The crown is 7 to 11. It is layered. The sides are 8 to 10, again, layered. The nape is 8 to 10. And the weight is 3.55 ounces. In the stock photos, I would say that it shows that she's kind of a wavy like this, but to me, in my opinion, she has more of a curl. She's thin enough you could tuck her behind the ears. You could pull her off the face and pull her back. She's precious, so cute. And if you want a full fringe, it would be really easy to cut that in. And again, with her being a full mono, you could part her that way. You could part her down the middle or over to the left. Such a cute, easy piece. And she's so feminine with these curls and the layers. So cute. Okay, let's go take a look at her outside. Okay, here she is. It's cloudy, so I don't have sunlight out here, but I think sometimes that can help you see her better. But you see this, a little auburn and some blonde. Here's her lace front. So good. Bye, guys.